Stocks you might want to pay attention to in 2022. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and it's super simple. I'm going to break down these 3 stocks. If you guys like these videos, just make sure you smash that like button and comment down below which stock you would like to see featured next. So one of my main focuses, as you guys have seen from my previous videos for 2022, is swing trading. And I want to minimize, I don't know about you guys, I want to simplify my trading strategy, especially for all the people that watch my videos and then have full-time jobs and or are full-time students. This is for people who want to learn more about the stock market but want to do it part-time. The thing that I love putting my money into are quality stocks that over a big period of time indicate signs of an uptrend. So with that being said, this is ticker symbol ETSI. Again, the stocks that I break down in this video are in no way any stock suggestion. This is simply stocks that I potentially see value in if they end up going according to plan. So the thing that I really like about ETSI is that it's an overall very bullish stock. It previously hit highs of 307. It recently pulled on back right now to the moving average, and it's trying to establish a support level. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit Group, we've talked about the 3 stages of reversal: rejection, consolidation, and confirmation. Right now, I would say that we're in stage 2, which is consolidation and waiting for the break above the EMA line. In my notes section, I wrote out my support and resistance level at $200, resistance at $300, my desired entry point to be right around 240, waiting for confirmation above the EMA line and waiting for proper indication of a reversal, and then to lock in profits a little bit before the previous resistance level of 290. With that being said, from start to finish, that would offer a little bit over 20% overall. In a perfect trade, it would be 25%. But again, there's no such thing as a perfect trading. 25% is the goal. But even if I walk away with 15% profit, imagine that. Waiting for confirmation, setting alerts, and then if ETSI does end up trading above the EMA line, then that's when we can decide to take action when we get that confirmation and that direction is in our favor. So let's go ahead and move on to the next one. This is Netflix. I'm not too sure if you've ever heard of this company. Netflix has recently pulled on back, testing support level at the moving average as well, consolidating right around that $600 price point. Previous resistance level right around $700. My desired entry point would be right around $620, and my desired exit point would be right around $685. So with that being said, from 620 to 685, that would offer nearly, right, if I'm not mistaken, a little bit over actually, 10% ROI. Again, even with that 10% goal, even if I just capture 5 or 7% of that, how cool would it be to not only utilize and use Netflix, as many of us do, but also be able to invest in the companies that we use every single day. Again, it's not just about knowing what stocks to buy, but when to buy them. And this is why we always talk about the 3 stages of reversal. It is so important to set alerts and to follow up with it when it makes sense, especially if you're trying to do something different in 2022. The last one that I'm going to quickly talk about is CRM. This is Salesforce. Previously hit highs of 311, recently pulled on back to lows of 250 to 300, and my desired entry point and exit point at 265 to 290. So with that being said, from 265, so that's above the EMA line, to 290, that would be a little bit over, a little bit under, if anything, around 14% if I'm not mistaken. From bottom to top, that would be a little bit over 20%, but again, there's no such thing as a perfect trade. I would rather be more conservative, wait for confirmation, average up into my position when the direction's in my favor, and then as we become overbought and approach previous resistance levels, then that's when we decide to lock in profits. Those are my 3 breakdowns. Those are the 3 stocks that I would like you guys to look a little bit more into. And again, the goal is not for you to see value in all of those 3 stocks. Even if you see value in just one of those stocks, that's still a positive takeaway. One thing I'm always here to encourage you to do is to be selective. Don't be afraid to ever say no. Make sure that at least for 2022, I don't know about your trading performance for 2021, but I want to make sure that we start the year off on a very positive note. And I just would really encourage you to be selective, keep trading simple, especially if you're a full-time worker and or, again, a student itself. You already have a lot going on. Why not just approach trading with a completely different trading strategy? And that's keeping your trading simple and following only quality trades. So again, The trading challenge will be exclusive to the Learn Plan Profit group. If you guys want to learn a little bit more about that, click the first link in the description. I trade live every single day with the Learn Plan Profit group. I break down exactly what it is that I'm paying attention to during our live trading sessions, both day trades and swing trades. But especially if you're trying to kick off 2022 on a positive note and you want to be able to approach this with a very simple trading strategy, then click the first link down below, learn a little bit more about it, and you guys can join us as soon as market open tomorrow for one of our live trading sessions. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope that I earned your thumbs up. Again, please consider subscribing, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.